Another early morning, heading out to Paducah, Kentucky. Let's get it. Made it out here to job one. This one's a little bit of an interesting one. They're gonna be placing the NID on this backer board somewhere, but the building it's going into and where the ONT is in their IT room in here. So what I'm gonna have to do is come from the NID right here and just ride along this fence right here, follow that white coax up and into their attic to be able to get it over to their server room. So definitely a little bit of an abnormal situation. Now to grab my stuff and get it knocked out. Not bad. All right, glow rod should be down there in that corner. Let me hop up in here and we'll go grab them. And there's the glow rods. Let me grab them and get them dragged back down that way. It sure did. Hooray. Now I get to crawl down and do it all over again. Damn it. Alright, I'll be right back. Got the cable pulled all the way through the attic. Now I just gotta take it and feed it down through the ceiling. I already drilled a hole from downstairs up into here. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed the fiber down and get it ran to the ONT. Got our fiber running down, tucked up nice and neat. And there we have our slack loop. I'm not sure where they're gonna be putting the NID. I'm assuming probably down here, but I'm not for sure. So I just left them a good little service loop right there. That way they'll have enough to get it to the NID whenever they get the fiber to the building. Now time to load up the truck and head to job 2. Well, I pull up at job 2 and I see that they are now closed Monday and Tuesday. And today is Tuesday. I'm not able to get in touch with the point of contact, so I guess we're gonna have to reschedule this one, which is really unfortunate because this one was 4 or 5 Cat 5 runs and a fiber extension, so I carved out some extra time in the day for it. And it looks like I'm not gonna be able to get to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a few calls, see if they have any other jobs in the area that I can hit while I'm here today. Unfortunately, they didn't have any other jobs in the Paducah area, so what I'm gonna do instead is start heading back towards home and just make a pit stop in Dyersburg, Tennessee, and work on the 44 apartments that I'm doing fiber extensions for, and just work on that for a couple hours. That way the entire day is not wasted.